What to do before, during, after earthquake. Before an earthquake. First, evaluate your house or building structure. Check and identify some potential source of hazards. Second, familiarize and make plan of the routes you take on your way out from your house or building in case of an earthquake. Third, secure fire extinguishers, first aid kits, alarms, communication facilities, and some other things which will be useful, and learn how to use it beforehand. Fourth, prepare for an emergency plan on how to deal with a disaster. Fifth, stock some food back, potable water, spare clothes, flashlights, whistles, radio, batteries, and some other useful things just in case for safe evacuation. 6. Conduct and participate in regular earthquake drills. During an earthquake, first, stay calm. Second, do not panic and run away from the house or building where you are. Third, do the drop, cover, and hold, and go under a table or desk or anything where you may hide and protect yourself. Fourth, do not use elevators so that if power failures occurs, you may not be trapped. After an earthquake. First, when the earthquake is over, work briskly to the nearest emergency exit and find a safe place. Second, be aware on the aftershocks. Aftershock is a smaller earthquake that follows a larger earthquake. Third, check members of the family and seek help if someone is missing. Fourth, if you are in your school, follow and listen to the instructions of your teacher. Fifth, check yourself and others from injuries, some water and electrical lines for damages, and any other things that may cause hazards. 6. Authorities may issue some instructions to reduce the effects of earthquakes. Keep yourself updated and alert.